Hi guys, we're playing just Tornadoes 1. I wait. Yo. Ayan. Yo! Yo, Titus! Titus! Yo, wait. Yo, wala pa rin. Nasa baba lang. Yo. There. Yo, what do I choose? The IV2 or Dominator? Let's just choose Dominator 3. Okay, let's go, guys. Please. Hey, wala hibaw. Hey, wala hibaw. I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Bro, there is no tornadoes. Please, pound. I know there is a bunch of tornadoes down in the map, but there are too weak for Dominator 3. So Dominator 3 needs EF4, EF5. Bro, where is the EF4, EF5? I just pick up. Bro, please, speed. It is. Yo, there's. Oh my. Yo, I'm gonna rejoin. Just kidding. We, Panfei. Oh, wait, Panfei, Panfei, guy, Panfei, Panfei, Panfei. Respawn, 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 respawn. Squeak, squeak goes to Dominator 3. Panfei. Okay, where's the tornado? Dominator 3. Yo, where's the bro? No. Oh, wait. Touchdown. Yo. Oh, yo, what's that? That EF3? Oh, no. Yo. Squeak, squeak, go to Dominator. Saan siya pupunta? Squeak, squeak, goes Dominator. Just please. Please. Yo, just go to me. Go to me. Lang.
Reference ng armadillo.
Yo, hindi ko bro, I just dodged it. But I found it. But I know, yo, what the is this an EF2? Maybe. Yo, maybe this is an EF2. Yep, this is an EF2. But, yo, they're fast. Yo, I don't need to. I could just walk past them. Look. See? See that? Bro, see that? Yo, this is so small. I'm just kidding. Yo, I'm just kidding. Yo, I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah. Yo, we survived. We survived. But yeah, I know that EF2 can live, but I'm just joking the EF2. They're kind of strong. They could break your garage. I just want to find. There's no. Okay. Nothing could defeat the Team Dominator. Squeak, squeak goes to Mr. Dominator. Squeak, squeak goes to Dominator 3. Woohoo! Cuckoo! Now, yo, please touch me. Sewer. Wait. Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. What if? Wait. Titus, come here, Titus. Okay, Titus. Go to the sewer. He's going for the sewer. Gonna make it. The Titus incident. Okay. Titus is coming in the way. Yo, what? Yo, what is this? What is this car? I never seen this before. Yo, my bad guys. I'm kind of a little bad at storm chasing. I deploy. Wow! Clear! Turn. You better watch the movie Into the Storm, guys. You better watch it. It's kind of cool. Go to the Netflix or my Flixer and search the.
No, point ni mama. Hindi ka napapansin. Tingnan mo, kala mo marunong lang. Pero sabi ko, that's nearby the lake.
Okay. This is why Titus in Unstoppable. Yo, what happened to the Doppler on wheels? Yo, what happened to the Doppler on wheels, guys? Yo, what the hell? Yo, what happened? No, Doppler on wheels. What happened to you? Yo, do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yo, look. Bro, why didn't he reset? Yo, reset. Yo, your car is even lifted. Okay. Okay. Now, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.